Good morning, welcome back. Okay, now today I'm going to do something supplemental, but it is kind of related to the project. Now, all this metal bar that I've curved, many of you suggested to make myself a little bar roller. That's 3 rollers that are adjustable that I can roll the bar through and make perfect curves. I have been doing okay with the curves, as you can see. They're practically perfect, but now and again when you roll your fingers along them, you can feel little tiny kinks where I've bent these bars bit by bit through the 2 sockets. A great method, but not the perfect method. So I'm going to take some of the advice from a few of you who said make yourself a bar roller, because going forward I'm going to do a lot more curved bar on this because I think this is a fantastic route. It's going to be an exoskeleton. You're going to see all this on the outside. I'm going to do some more in the front to pick up the lines, and in the rear I'm going to do some over the tail and possibly in the future a little belly pan as well to bring it all together like a little bikini fairing. It's going to look great, but I want those bars rolled a little bit smoother. I want them rolled a lot quicker because I really want to get this bike on the road for the summer. So today, as Chandler himself says, need a tool, make a tool. I'm going to make myself a little DIY bar roller from some scrap bearings, some scrap metal, and see what I can achieve by the end of the day. Hopefully it'll work. Never know. Wish me luck. Okay, here's a little trick for you. Pop 2 nuts in the vise, tap them level, take a hacksaw and split them all the way to the inside so they're like a little C-shaped collar. Then you can pop them on a thread, and that protects the thread if you're going to put it in a vise. Because they're split, they'll just hug around the thread and grip it nice and tight, meaning that the bar itself can't move, but at the same time it won't crush the thread. Great way to hold the thread nice and solid in a vise so you can cut a thread the other end. Easy, innit? Right, there we go. 5:15, 8 hours, an awful long day, but I really enjoyed that. A little rolling machine to roll that 6mm bar to finish off this frame and make a start on the back one in the future. And that's all it needs to be for now. Now what I will do in the future is upgrade those plastic caster wheels to steel roller bearings. And once I've done that, that thing will be absolutely beef and it will bend just about anything, including flat stock, which is what I need it to do in the future. But for now, for 6mm bar, that's perfect and I'm really happy with the result. So that's it for today. Join me in the next one. I'm going to make a start on the skin for this on the inside. See you next time.